After a hectic 2 years of new product introductions, Toyota is finally updating its off-road and truck lineup with the 4Runner, making it the most up-to-date lineup it has ever been. The camouflaged prototype we spotted cruising around on public roads near the Ann Arbor, Michigan, editorial offices of Car and Driver gives the impression that the 4Runner's all-terrain capability will be maintained or enhanced compared to the previous generation. No details have been disclosed since this is the initial look at a potential 4Runner. However, the new Tacoma's powerful off-road hardware and hybrid/non-hybrid 4-cylinder engine options should be available to it. We will provide additional information about the 2025 4Runner when it becomes available. The year 2025, what's new? In 2025, the 4Runner will supposedly undergo a complete makeover based on the Tacoma pickup truck, which will be introduced in 2024. In late 2024, the all-new 4Runner will make its premiere, and the following year, it will hit dealerships. Comparison of prices and options. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner is anticipated to have a price tag ranging from $43,000 to $59,000, with the exact amount depending on the model level and available extras. We anticipate a small price increase over the 2024 model year for the 2025 4Runner, while Toyota has not yet disclosed any details regarding the vehicle. It's probable that the SR5, Limited, and 3 trims with the TRD name will remain. Details regarding the new 4Runner's pricing and trim levels will be updated in this story once we receive official information from Toyota.